Funded by the Environment Protection Agency and the Health Service Executive, the Near Health Project investigated how society could benefit by deepening their connection with nature. We found that people valued a connection with nature, but that nature was not equally available to everybody. We also found that when people envisaged their healthy future outdoor space, they connected this with sustainable living and a resilient community, envisaging things like the All-Ireland Pollinator Plan spreading out across their community, connecting people and nature. When we investigated different activities that people could do in nature, these benefited their health and well-being from decreased levels of stress, decreased anxiety, but also connecting them to nature and to the wider community. All of our findings have been included in a toolkit, which will help individuals, society, and practitioners connect more deeply with nature, and from that deeper connection, be able to conserve it more.